Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn about merge fields and how to use the merge document tool in LeadMaster. Let's see what the merge document tool looks like in the system by going to a record, choosing the email icon, selecting options, then merge document. This can only be accessed when sending an individual lead an email. Before adding a merge document to our email, we must take several steps first. Click Options, View Merge Fields, then Download Merge Fields. This way, we can view this list in Word and merge our document before uploading it to LeadMaster. Heading to Word, we can see the document we would like to add our merge fields to. The text in parentheses are the fields we would like to merge in our document. Click on the Mailings tab, Start Mail Merge, Letters, then select Recipients. Choose to use an existing list. Then select the mail merge file you have downloaded. Now find the merge field label, and next to it, insert the corresponding merge field in the pop-up box by clicking Insert Merge Field. Delete the old merge fields. Now that all of the fields are merged, save the document as an old Word doc file. This is so we can import it into the LeadMaster system. Going back to LeadMaster, we will head to Library, where we will upload the document to a folder. We will upload the document in the Estimates folder for the purposes of this demonstration. Here's the new merge file. Go back to the record page and complete your email. Click Options, Merge Document, then Add to attach the merge file to the email. Select the file location, click Merge, and you can see our merged file right here. We suggest you preview the merged document before you opt to send it. You can see that all of the contact information has been merged into the document. From this page, you may fax, print, or download the document to your desktop for your own records. Now that we have ensured that our information is correct, we will choose Go Back to Message. We can see our document is listed right here. When everything is complete, you may go ahead and send the message to your client or lead. This concludes the tutorial on the Merge Documents tool. Thanks for watching.